देखिए दूरियां कभी हुई नहीं थी क्योंकि ये एक सिर्फ मेरे लिए प्रोडक्शन हाउस नहीं है विशेष फिल्म्स। सो इट्स लाइक बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ द फैमिली। मुकेश जी ने बहुत सारी फिल्में ऑफर की थी इन दिस कोर्स ऑफ 8 years, but things didn't really work out. Destiny का एक plan होता है. What you're supposed to destined to do, you always tend to do it. We did 10 years back in Raz 1. Everyone came together and it's happened. Yeah, I'm very happy. ये 3D की technique अलग होती है. There are two cameras which are two lenses. I don't even know so much of technical part of 3D. But they have to be aligned at every time. And it is a little tougher to shoot it because there's certain things that we can't do. When you're doing an emotional scene, it's a little tough on 3D because in 3D you can't shoot for very long. It's about this girl, this actress who stands for every single actor in the world, wants to be successful, and once they reach that success, nobody wants to lose it. This girl can do anything to get what she wants. But here what Shania does is that she dabbles with the dark. So she's a big time prisoner of fame. I've seen some films, international films, which talks about black magic and those voodoo dolls and all that you see in films. So my knowledge is as basic as that for black magic. That whole thing that the actor carries the baggage ki hamesha hame strong dikhna hai sabke samne. We are role models to hundreds and hundreds of people, hundreds of girls. I like the fact that, with this film, I realized I am more of a human being. I am more of a girl, and there is a very strong, vulnerable side to me. Insecurity हर actor में है, और आप जितनी ज़्यादा ऊंचाई छुएंगे, उतना insecure actor बनेगा. अगर आपको सक्सेस कभी मिली नहीं है, तो किस चीज़ की insecurity होगी? उसे खोने की तो insecurity नहीं हो सकती. ये एक natural emotion है. ये सिर्फ actors में नहीं, ये किसी भी कामयाब जिंदगी में भी किसी को भी हो सकता है. The idea is how do you use it? You use it positively and do the work with all your heart, with confidence. You have to use your weaknesses in times and make them your strength. Footpath till Raz 3, I think Imran has done really well for himself. बहुत कमाल के कलाकार हैं, effortless actor हैं. So everyone was troubled, but amongst all us troubled people, there was Imran Hashmi, who was sitting आराम से, and the moment we'll say shot ready है, he would get up. You'll think that he's so not involved, but then when he comes and you say action, then he just pounces on the role. So he is that kind of a fiery actor. He's tremendous. बहुत लोगों ने मुझसे ये सवाल किया था कि Raz 1 or Raz 3, what's your favorite? Also they said that Raz 1 की बिपाशा या Raz 3 की बिपाशा. I will say Raz 3. In today's time, I think everything about myself, I've finally accepted myself the way I am. I am a matured, evolved woman who has seen a lot of life. I just love everything about myself now. As a human being, I can push myself a lot. मेरे में बहुत patience, बहुत tolerance level मेरा high है. In that way, I can only do things to my own self. For success, I will never harm anybody. देखिए ये ऐसी फिल्म नहीं है जहाँ पे मैं बात कर सकती हूँ कि इतना मज़ा आया हमें, हमारी केमिस्ट्री इतनी अच्छी थी, हम लोगों ने इतना प्रैंक्स खेले सेट पे. ये ऐसी फिल्म है ही नहीं. हर दिन मेरे लिए एक स्ट्रगल रहा है. I was emotionally drained, I was exhausted. I wanted to finish this film fast because it was just really, really disturbing me. It's a very, very dark character. This is by far the most challenging role that I've got, and I don't think I can get better than this.